Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit or revise a listing on eBay. Start by opening your browser and going to ebay.com. From the home page, look toward the top of the screen and select My eBay. You may be prompted to sign in before continuing, which simply brings your account details and selling tools into view so you can access your listings. Once My eBay opens, choose Selling. This takes you to your selling overview, where you can manage active items, sold orders, and work-in-progress listings. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on a listing that's still in draft. A draft is a saved, unfinished listing that isn't visible to buyers yet, which makes it perfect for making edits before you go live. Open the draft section to see everything you've saved. Find the item you want to work on and select Resume Draft. This opens eBay's listing editor, where you can review and refine every detail to make your listing clear and compelling. Work through the key sections carefully. Update the title so it's specific and searchable, using accurate keywords buyers would type. Check the category to ensure it matches your item, and complete item specifics like brand, model, size, color, or condition. These fields help your listing surface in filtered searches. Add or adjust photos so they're bright, sharp, and show multiple angles. Include close-ups of any wear or unique features. Refine your description to set expectations. Highlight benefits, note any imperfections honestly, and keep formatting clean for easy reading. Next, review pricing and format. Choose the option that fits your strategy and confirm quantity and any variations such as size or color. Set shipping details, including service, cost, and handling time. Clarity here builds buyer confidence. Finally, review your returns and payment preferences to match your usual policy. When you're satisfied with your edits, scroll to the bottom of the page and select List It. Before you click, take a quick look at any fee preview or alerts shown near the button so there are no surprises. If eBay flags missing information, you'll see prompts to fix those items. Address them, then return to the bottom and list again. That's it. You've opened your draft, made precise updates, and published the listing. If you're not ready to go live, you can simply keep the draft and return to it later. But once you list it, your item becomes visible to buyers, and you can always return to the selling area to monitor views, questions, and orders. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.